It's time to get your Monday birthday groove on as we start celebrating this little guy here. He's the nephew of our graphic artist, Will York. This is Wyatt Jackson York, turning the big one today. A very happy birthday to you, Wyatt.
All right, Wyatt, happy birthday. And over in Scammon, Bailey Best is turning 6 years old today. Look at her, safely wearing her seatbelt. I like that. Happy birthday from Charity and Jamie.
Heading out to Iola, we've got Xavier Johnson turning 6 years old today. A very happy birthday to you, Xavier.
All right, and we've got Samantha Akey celebrating birthday number 8 in Neosho. That means it's her golden birthday because it's August the 8th.
That's very, gosh, can you believe it's already August the 8th? Samantha, get out there and celebrate. We've also got Alexander Taylor turning the big 10 over in Weir. Happy birthday to you, Alexander.
Josie Baher celebrating birthday number 14 this year. Josie is in Parsons.
And we've got Landon Jesse turning 14 in Pittsburgh. Very happy birthday to you, Landon.
All right. In Frontenac, celebrating birthday number 15 is Ace Barcelona. Curious what he's holding there? Well, it's a citizenship award. Congratulations for that as well. Happy 15th.
And we've got Wyatt Wilson over in Joplin celebrating birthday number 15. And this comes with love from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie.
And out in Galena, Darren Combs turning 18 years old this year. Congratulations on your recent graduation there, Darren, with love from Mom and Chris.
We've also got Kayla Keller in Neodesha turning 36 today. And Kayla, this comes with love from Mom and Dad.
All right, Courtney Imoff turning 47, looking better every year there, Courtney. In Pittsburgh, happy birthday.
We've also got Mark Lee turning 60 years old today. And this is a special birthday message saying happy 60th birthday. We hope you have a wonderful day. Love, Kevin, Caitlin, Rhett, and Hazel. Happy birthday, Mark.
All right, and we got a belated birthday wish. Mr. Dean Jesse turned 69 on Saturday. He's been celebrating every day since, and we're going to celebrate again today. In Galena, happy birthday from the family, Dean Jesse.
And we've got Verna Tucker turning 73 years young over in Fort Scott. A very happy birthday to you and to your two best friends right there, Verna.
All right, and we've got Charlie OMalley in Scammon turning 78 years old this year. Happy birthday, Charlie, from your cousin Lois sending this one in.
And we've got Nancy Kernick turning 79. Lois has lots of friends here because this comes with love from Lois to Nancy turning 79 in Chanute.
All right, and Kurt and Hannah Zom are celebrating 12 years together. Congratulations to the Zoms in Baxter Springs.
We've also got Jason Earl turning 49 in Jasper. Corey Pitts celebrating a birthday in Lamar as he turns 50 today. Carter Borland turning 6 in Loma Linda. And Patricia Christie turning 70 in Fort Scott. As well as Bill Noakes celebrating a birthday in Erie. And over in Coffeyville, Art and Shirley Peterman are celebrating their anniversary. Everybody get out there and celebrate and make your Monday a little brighter.